Alright, what's up guys, Marc, Augustine here, and in this video what we're going to talk about is drop shipping and war. So the elements of war that would help you to be successful at drop shipping. So like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the video.
What's up everyone, my name is Marco and I'm a full-time dropshipper. I just launched a course on Facebook dropshipping and I've been doing it for a while.
Okay, my name is Marc Augustine. I've been dropshipping for 10 years, sold over $20 million. And I know Marco for 3 years now, and Marco is full-time on Facebook. I've done eBay, Amazon. We've both done eBay, Amazon, Walmart, Shopify, Facebook. And so let's talk through this thing. So the first thing is, when you hear about dropshipping is war, or dropshipping is like war, what do you think?
Wow, guns, gunshots, tanks. But I mean that's the war part. But
right.
Okay, when I think about war and dropshipping, it's not only war with the platforms, but with yourself, because right. You're actually fighting against all of the problems are coming along. And just trying to like solve them, and also you're fighting the competition. I mean, there's a lot of elements about war that's actually in dropshipping too.
Right. So like we did a video about this a little while ago, and we may or may not post it. The audio is kind of weird, but I might just post it just for you guys to see. But so why are we doing this video? I did a video similar to this a few years ago, talking about eBay dropshipping, and if we think about the war that the world is seeing now, Russia and Ukraine, right? Russia and Putin, who you would think are like stronger and they're sure to win, is going up against Ukraine and Zelensky or whatever the name is. I'll edit it. And like you would initially think, or a lot of like professionals or people that study war would have thought, and bear with me, right? We come back to dropshipping. Would have thought that like Putin and Russia would have won really quickly, right? And like recently, like a week or two ago, Ukraine took back a very important city in this whole war, right? So then, what the fuck does that have to do with dropshipping? When you're in war, you're fighting to win. You're not just fighting, because when you hear war, people are like, you're just fighting. But you're fighting to win. When you win a war, you win whatever you're fighting over. Russia and Ukraine, they fight for land, they're fighting for independence, they're fighting for whatever. In the war of dropshipping, you're fighting for money. You're competing for money. You're competing to make money to feed your kids, to buy a house, to buy a nice car, to buy nice clothes, to buy a watch, to buy a bag. Like, it's money, it's about money, it's a war of money. And luckily you don't have to use guns. No one's life is on the line. But there's a limited amount of money, although there's a lot. There are hundreds and millions of dollars, billions of dollars spent on the Facebook platform, on the Amazon platform, on the Walmart platform. And if all the guys who are like losing in this dropshipping game, the psychology and the thought process that you're using is not about winning. A lot of you guys watching this video is just like dropshipping just to say you dropshipping, to waste time, to like pretend to be an entrepreneur. But you start an entrepreneurship endeavor to win, to make money. So in my opinion, this idea of competition and fighting till the end to win, that is the most important part. You're going to win. If the guys from Ukraine didn't think, like, got into just a fight, they would not win back the city that they won a couple of weeks ago, right? So I think that is something that you guys watching this could focus on and understand, to win at this game of dropshipping, to make motherfucking money, nothing else. So like, subscribe. What else you want to tell these guys before we go?
Dropshipping is challenging, like real. It's not easy. And when you know the strategies and you're willing to put work into it, it becomes, at some point it becomes easy, but it suddenly changes.
Right.
So you have to be prepared, like war. Yeah. You have to be prepared for what's coming.
For the unknown.
Yes.
Exactly.
Right.
And a lot of guys like ignore reality. A lot of guys like think it's easy. I think the culture in dropshipping now has changed because people join this wanting easy money. And like like I think Amazon, Walmart, and eBay, the guys who are on those platforms and those who are successful understand that. I think Marco, like when I look at how Marco approaches dropshipping and now Facebook dropshipping, it's a lot different than like the millionaire mindset guys or like some of the other guys, Paul Lipsky, and I know some people like don't shout them out, but these guys, they're dropshippers. They might be making a little money, but what we're trying to do with this channel, with the course, there's a link in the description, the free course and paid course, is give you guys not just the information, not just the strategies, but the mindset to win. And the mindset that losing is not a motherfucking option. And if you put that in, it's a simple competition. There's hundreds of $1 million here, and they're like a couple thousand dropshippers. And it's not hard to win this game if you focus and stick to it. So anyway, like, subscribe, follow Marc on Instagram, follow myself on Instagram. Look in the description for links to the free Facebook group, for the free course, for the paid course. Ask us questions. Any questions you have about dropshipping, about mindset, about entrepreneurship. Peace.